Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how you can prepare yourself for aquascaping your aquarium. As I have no experience, I have invited a friend of mine, Lucas. You will see him in the video. He's an aquarium owner and has 15 years of experience in aquascaping. He will take me through the preparation. I got it all captured in the camera and I will share it with you. If you have any feedbacks, please leave them in the comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Do you want to left the camera in there?
Yeah.
For the filling?
Yeah. Now we will fill it a little bit with water.
Yeah.
To check if
it floats. It's going.
I should add more, I think.
Yeah. You can put it on full. We will need to wait till it sinks down. Because some of them were already like let's say they were in the water already, so they are not that light. It's different. You can have one piece that is floating and the other one is sinking down. So it depends.
So we'll put now. They stay down, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, see how it's filling with there is air is going.
So you have more?
I believe one more.
One more. Yeah, I will go and some small ones to make the details then.
So now we just wait for
what to sink?
for the wood to sink and then we would be ready for scaping.
Yeah.
Alright. So one day later you can see some of these woods. They already sinked. And now waiting for that one to sink. And then we can start scaping. Here we are 2 days later. After all branches sink in the water, we start the aquascaping. Where do you want to put it?
Yeah, oh, right. It should work also. Oh, wait. Okay.
Where do you want to put it?
Something like that. Yeah. I'm sorry.
And that's the big one. Let's take it out and then you can use the ladder. So 1, 2, 3. Is it okay?
Wait, it was fun.
Okay.
I can go. Wait.
Now we started to clean 100 kg of gravel sand to put them in the aquarium. Now the aquarium is ready to add live plants. Adding live plants in your aquarium helps recreate a natural ecosystem in miniature, and may be one of the most beneficial ways to keep your fish healthy. Plants provide shelter and security for the fish. Adding live plants does not reduce the need for water changes.
Always good to remove any damaged leaves or any leaves that are not looking healthy, because plants will use the strength and the energy to restore it, that leaf will just die. It will not be restored, because if it's damaged it cannot be restored, and it's just taking strength from the plant.
Okay.
So big plant. You want to plant it in the background, like this, and it will grow. It will be tall. It will grow. It doesn't require any nutrients. It's growing in all kinds of water. Easy plant. For the big aquarium, it's very good because it's tall, and once it's reached the surface of the water, it grow and it creates it grow
like shadow
on the surface.
Yeah.
This batch. You don't need to be scared to really bury it into substrate.
Yeah, like to put it deep.
Yeah, exactly. Even if you left just one leaf, if you have nutrients like in the water, it will grow on its own. So.
Okay.
And it's better to put it deeper, because then it doesn't fall. Yeah, we can do like small forest or something like that there. They will grow. Yeah. And those you can put on the other side. On the other side. This will grow leaves. Now we just need to fill it out. Yep.
You should remove brown and dying leaves from your plants as soon as possible. Cutting off these leaves allows the remaining healthy live plants to receive more nutrition and improve the plant's appearances.
Thank you very much, man.
Welcome.
Okay. So let's go now. I can take you home.
Okay.